Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy and I'm going to do an unboxing video here. This will be my first unboxing video. I've got a Leatherman Surge multi-tool knife here. I got it from Smokey Mountain Knife Works in Sevierville, Tennessee. And by the way, I've got my nice Benchmade Presidio 2. Loving it. And I'm going to use this to help unbox this new Leatherman Surge here. So let's see here. Just got to kind of go across. Get this little tape off. There we go. That's the only one I got there. Let's see. So by the way, here's the Leatherman symbol. Leatherman. Very nice box here. Here's the first part of the box. And here's what we got. We've got a Leatherman, another Leatherman symbol. But it's not just a symbol, it is also the instructions. As you can see here, we have the instructions. Okay. And so, put that aside. And look at this, folks. I looked at this today, and I just loved it. This is a very hefty tool. It's a little heavier than some of the other multi-tools that Leatherman has in its offerings. But let me tell you, this is a really good tool. A little heavier duty than the other ones, which I kind of liked. I wanted something kind of beefy. And so this is what it looks like in the case. So we've got a nice Leatherman pouch for the knife to go in. Knife, multi-tool, whatever you want to call it. Very nice case. I mean, looks like it's got these things on the side for, I don't know if that's for a flashlight or what. You got two little pouches on the side there. So, Leatherman case. Very nice. And you also get this little tool that he showed me today. This has a file on one side, miniature file, and on the other side it has a fine diamond sharpener, just so you can put a nice little fine edge on it. And that comes with it in this little case here. I thought that was pretty neat. So I'm going to put this back in here. Put that away. And of course we've got the beautiful Leatherman Surge. I hope I'm going to do this right here. I might be holding it too close to the camera. Hopefully you can see that okay. Got the edges of it. Okay, so I'm going to move this box here. And let's see here. Let's open this thing up. Wow, very sturdy. Clip it in, and there you go. We have the needle nose pliers here. We have where you can grab onto like a bolt or nut, turn it. We have a wire cutter. That, by the way, has a replaceable blade. you can use an Allen wrench, take that off if it gets worn out, and replace that from Leatherman. I thought that was really good. There's one on the other side too. And then of course, you squeeze this thing and it's just super sturdy. So we got that, and of course we got the measurements there. Little ruler. Look like it says it goes up to, let's see, 4 inches. Looks like it goes up to 8 1/4 inches, something like that. Okay. Very smooth action. Really got to break this thing down. I mean, it's very sturdy. Okay, so what do we have here? We have the serrated blade. Look like it needs a little wiping off here. They usually oil it from the factory, which I like. There's a serrated blade, which the salesman told me this is a very good thing to have, as a dedicated serrated blade, because it's really good at cutting like zip ties, rope, things like that. Very nice. Locks in very good. Now, you just push this aside, that mechanism there, and it unlocks it, and you can put it back in its place. And then we have scissors here. Now, what I like about this one is these scissors are a lot bigger than the scissors on the other Leatherman multi-tools. The other ones are more miniature than this, but this one here, once you lock it, by the way, and then you got this spring here, and there's your scissors, and they're pretty decent sized scissors. Okay, and same thing here, you got this lock. Push in. And let's see, I think we did it like that, and then down. Yeah, there you go. And then of course you got your knife here, and boy does that look sharp. Now, as far as the blade, he showed me a chart. This is the 440. Pretty sure this is the 440. I think they call it C. 440C. I could be wrong, but it's a very, very good steel. When I looked it up on the chart, well, he showed me the chart. And it said it was extremely durable steel, and it maintains an edge for a long time. But yes, the only downside is that it will be a little bit longer to sharpen it. Take a little bit more time to sharpen it. But once it's sharp, I mean, it's going to stay sharp for a long time. I like the blade geometry of that. Really nice. So I'm going to close that up. And let's see, we already saw the scissors. We already saw them. And so what else do we have in this? Well, we have, just flip them up here. What's really neat about this tool is it's got so many things on it. It's got the small flathead screwdriver, and then right behind that we got the really wide one. Now that really comes in handy because, as you know, a lot of things require, the smaller one, and then other things you want the wider one. So you get both options there. That's really, really nice. And then of course you got your little miniature knife there, and you can even see the oil still on it from the factory, which is good. So there's those. Okay, and then on the other side, let's do it like this. What do we have here? We have your bottle opener. And we have the magnetic bit tool. It's got a Phillips in there. You can take it out and then you can purchase for about $25 to $30, $25 to $30. You can purchase a whole bit set that will fit right in this to have other star tools, things like that. So you got your Phillips here, and your flathead, and you just pretty much stick it in there. Not only that, if you want to put for about another $30, you can buy a socket wrench deal where you can stick it in there and you can put a little socket on the end of it. Thought that was pretty neat. So that's nice. And I really, you have three choices. You can get the stainless with the black tools in it, black blades, black tools, and stainless. I like that because it kind of offsets it. Or you can get pure stainless. And the third option, I actually can't remember what the third option was. I know there was 3 options. Oh, I know what it was. It was solid black. Solid black all the way. Black tools, black outside everything. But I kind of like the stainless and the black. So there you go, folks. That's pretty much what we have there. The Leatherman Surge. Hope y'all like this video. Haven't used it any at all yet, of course. It's just an unboxing. Maybe I'll have a future video of how things work out with it. Y'all have a good evening. Talk to you later. Bye.